Good morning students. Today we will know about the English language and literature syllabus for class 10th. Your English question paper is given in 3 sections, in section A, B and C. Section A includes reading skills, as I had also told you in class 9th, which includes unseen passages, 2 types of passages. One, unseen story or factual passage, another like poems. Section B includes writing skills with grammar, and section C, which includes literature textbook and extended reading text. Extended reading text means supplementary reader. It is of 30 marks. Total marks are given 18, which is related to your writing skills, and there will be also internal assessment for 20 marks, means the oral questions that are asked to you during examination period. Now, the grammar syllabus, chiefly which lessons you have to study in this class: tenses, modals, use of passive voice, subject verb concord, which is also called subject verb agreement. Reporting includes commands and requests, statements, questions. Besides it, 6 clauses. There you have to study only 3 types of clauses in class 10th: noun clause, adverb clauses and relative clauses. Noun clauses made from nouns, adverb clauses made from relative adverb, and relative clauses which are made from relative pronouns. Besides it, 7 number determiners, which we can say like a and the and another determiners. 8 number prepositions. When we talk about English language and literature course, you have been prescribed the main book for your class 10th, literature reader, first flight. We have to study our literature reader through this book, which names first flight, and supplementary reader. The name of this book is Footprints Without Feet. Footprints Without Feet. And now next day I will tell you about which lessons we have to study in literature reader and which lessons we have to study in supplementary reader, and then also we will know the summary of the first lesson of literature course. Thank you.